are at the top of your game as a proven, successful general sales manager, fixed operations manager, or general manager. Maybe you own a used car dealership, or you're an investor, and you're ready to make the final transition to franchise ownership. But where do you find these opportunities? How do you recognize the right opportunity? And how do you establish the value of the dealership? And where do you find the resources you need to make it happen? Hi, I'm Chris Schultes, President of Y Management. We've partnered with Dealer Solutions and Drive Investment Partners to bring you the information you need to buy a dealership or become a partner. This two-day workshop is the only one of its kind in Canada and will provide you with the knowledge, action plan, and access to the industry professionals to help you make the transition to owner. Whether a 10 or 25% equity owner or 100% dealer principal, we'll show you how and how to get the money. I'll be hosting this intense two-day workshop, which has been designed to bring you the experience and expertise in all facets of ownership from the experts who know how. You'll meet Bernie Clement, the former Senior Vice President of Daimler Chrysler and retired President and CEO of Pemcor Automotive Group. A self-made automotive executive and self-made dealer principal, Bernie has unique knowledge and perspective, and he's willing to share. You'll also meet Fareed Ahmed, President and CEO of Dealer Solutions, one of North America's largest and most influential mergers and acquisitions firms. Fareed is also the managing partner in Drive Investment Partners, a private equity firm primarily dedicated to financially supporting the next generation of managing partners and dealer principals. All the disciplines will be in one room, in one workshop. You'll learn how to begin the process and find the right opportunities, how to identify trends in dealership performance, the various methods used to value a dealership. What is goodwill and how is it calculated? What are normalized earnings and how are they calculated? We'll examine the various methods to buy a dealership, such as an asset purchase, a share purchase, or a minority partner buy-in. You'll learn how to structure the deal, including the 10 most common mistakes when buying in. And of course, how to find the right professional services and financing to bring it all together. You'll also network with other like-minded professionals and the people and organizations that can help make it happen. This is the best investment you can make in the realization of your final career destination. To register for this two-day workshop event at a city near you, contact us now. This workshop event is sponsored by Dealer Solutions and Drive Investment Partners. I'm Chris Schultes.